I did this look and a lot of y'all seemed to like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it again, but this time pink for the girly dinners, lunches, brunches. Galentine's Day is here, so let's go ahead and get started. First, let me show you the gems that I'm using. I got them at Daiso and they're super cute. Look, they have basically a decorative tape. Look how, do you all see this? Look how gorgeous. I have some black ones for a little grunge, a little emo Valentine's Day for my anti-Valentine's Day people. And they also have some gems. Very, very cute. I'll be using this one today. So these are, I believe, $1.29 each. Daiso, I repeat, at Daiso. Okay, I went ahead and did my hair. Do not judge the process. You will see in the end that it's going to be really, really cute. But first things first, I want to show you the perfect pink, super girly, super whatever y'all are into, coquette, super Galentine's Day blush combo. Let me put you on. I don't even know if some of these like still are sold by the brand, so sorry. Just take what you have and sort of do the same steps that I'm doing. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to buy the products that I have. This one is this color. It is gorgeous. I just take my brush, I tap it. I like to put this all over. You can never go wrong with too much blush. There's no such thing as too much blush. Say it with me. There is no such thing as too much blush. If you have a light shimmery pink or, you know, anything that resembles the blush that you're wearing, I have this one. And I just like to pat, 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 pat. Put below, and then we're gonna top it onto the, yeah, we're gonna top it on top of the blush. I don't know what era I'm doing, but I'm stuck. Okay, 2018, 2016. Now I add my highlight. I like to use this color here and this color. I will tell you what this palette is because it is my favorite palette of all time, and I love this brand. This is the Millonaria palette by Melolops. And these are the color Oro y Caro. So this one's Caro. I'm gonna put it right here, and I mix it with Oro. And y'all, it's just a little tap. Look at that. Look. No. I'm blowing you away, aren't I? I am blowing the waters away right now. We're heading on to our first step of the eye look, and it's stickers, y'all. Leave right over here. First thing I'm doing is I'm taking some white eyeshadow. I'm a first-time mom. I'm pretty sure everyone knows I'm a mom because I keep saying it, because there's just a lot that comes with being a mom. One of the things is you can't really celebrate Valentine's Day with your significant other like you used to anymore. Like, it's fine if we don't go out to dinner or anything like that, but I do want to at least look cute. I want to have cute makeup. I remember watching makeup videos where everything was like, hey, this is my life update, and like you would see how they're doing their makeup, but you would also be chatting with them. And I want to bring that back. Recording my makeup, editing it, doing a voiceover, and being like, this is what you do and this is what you do. Like, no duh. I don't want that anymore. I want connection. I don't have anyone to talk to, so I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to whoever's listening out there. I'm putting this on the lower pink shade, and we're patting this around the heart like so. I want to do a series of mom makeup for the moms that love makeup but also need to leave the house ASAP or don't have time. You're trying to do your makeup before your baby wakes up or babies. Imagine cute, colorful videos for moms with easy but cute looks. I have this hot pink babe right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do I clean my brushes? No, I don't. I don't have time. So I hope you understand. I'm always like, I'm not gonna do too much. I'm not gonna do too much. And then bam, I do the most. Oof, oof. Makeup makes me so happy. I'm gonna take a cute little shimmery white and put this over here. Yep, that's the choice. I know I'm not the best at doing my makeup or doing makeup in general, but oh my gosh, I don't care. Like, it makes me so happy to do my makeup. If you can see me, the days where I used to buy makeup all the time, are you kidding? Ugh, gagging. Ugh. Just, oh, that was weird. This one. Oof. Oof. Do I need to say more? Come on. Let's peel off these stickers. If it's not perfect, it's okay. I didn't even breathe. Taking, again, like this little, it's like, it has like a pink chrome into it. So I really like that. You're doing great. It's time for the gems. Okay, so I just got done with putting glue on these gems. Let's do it together. Okay, is that cute? Oh my gosh, we're done with the eyes. I'm taking this. For the lips, I'm going to use the Kosas the lip oil. This is from the birthday box from Sephora. This is the shade Unbuttoned. It is a soft, warm blush, which is perfect for this look and perfect for my dry lips. Let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lashes. Let me go ahead and put my hair down and I'll be right back. This is the makeup vlog. I'm so happy with how it came out. Look at this. Oh, y'all, we did that. We did that. I look so good. And y'all, it was easy, right? It was just like what, 3 eyeshadows, the pink, the light pink, this shimmer here, some gems. That's it. Nothing complicated. And it looks bomb. It looks so good. Look at that. A little bit closer. I nailed it. We nailed it. Yeah, eats for days and days and days and days. Please like this video. Share it with your mama. Share it with your friend who hasn't checked in on you. Share just go ahead and share it, y'all. If you want to see the red version and I'm doing a black version, I'm really excited for that one. Stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned. Follow along. If you want more makeup for moms, we're in a rush. We don't got money. We don't have time. These are the videos for you. I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.